It's time for a makeover. Okay, so I bought a lace front wig about 2 years ago, I believe, from My First Wig. I love the quality from them, and it was already cut and everything, but it's been a minute since I put it on. Completely forgot to put on the wig cap, so mind your business with that. But for the most part, the whole process was a lot of work. I was sweating, and I was trying to get it together. It's been a while since I did that, and it's summertime, so I know everybody was probably like, why are you putting on a wig and it's blazing hip-hop and R&B outside? But it's cool, put it on, and I still tried to get cute. And then I kind of went on into my makeup and stuff. And one thing about me is I like to get cute. I like to switch it up. And I just haven't been showing y'all how I do my hair. But I decided I'm going to start adding that to my roster because, you know, I like to get down. So right here, I'm baking up my makeup to go nowhere. And it was pretty much a good time. And y'all going to see how it came out because I feel like it came out pretty dope. But you'll see. Did I nail it? Are you? There's some glue and stuff that's lifting, but y'all can't see it, so mind your business. Giving. But like the process that it took for me to do this one just now, this shit gonna be on my head till at least mid-October. Makeup in here by me. Bye.